The end of the school year is almost here. Every day we're getting closer, and we're getting a lot of questions about what do students do with their laptops, with their Chromebooks over the summer. I'm Jim Lawson with the Moore Public Schools EdTech Department, and if you'll stay with me for a couple of minutes, I will explain that entire process to you. To answer the question of what students do with a device that has been assigned to them, it all depends on what grade they're in, what's going to happen next year, and all that. So we'll try to clear that up for you here. If a student is currently in 5th grade through their junior year of high school, they're not going to do anything. They're going to keep that device, they're going to go home with it, and over the summer, they're going to keep it charged and bring it back on the first day of school ready to go so we can hit the ground running in August. Those students can use that device, they can play games on that device, just take care of it over the summer and make sure that it is ready to go when they return in August. If a student is moving from one Moore school to another Moore school, they'll just take that device with them whenever they go to that school. Now, if you're going to move from Moore Public Schools to another district, returning your device is part of the check-in procedure. So whenever you withdraw from school, you also have to bring your device and the charger and check in. Now, if you do this during the school year, you'll turn this in at your school. Now, if it happens during the summer, then you need to make a trip over to our technology department. Our technology department is located on 4th Street in a separate building behind the administration building. I've added some video of here of what it looks like to get there. What you'll do is just go up to the front door, buzz in, tell them you need to check in a device because you're withdrawing, and they will take care of the process for you. Now, just remember you need to take your charging cable as well as the device, as well as any hotspots or anything like that you may have also been assigned. Now, for our seniors who are graduating and leaving Moore Public Schools, you guys will have an assigned check-in time. I'm going to put them up here on the screen for you so that you can see, because they're a little bit different for the 3 high schools. So you will turn in your device with the charger at these times. Now, if you see this video early and you decide, I'm done, I don't need my device anymore, I want to go ahead and check it in, then you're welcome to take it to your Site Tech office hours each morning at your high school, 8 to 9 in the morning or 11:45 to 12:45, kind of around lunchtime. Now, I do want to stress, if you're turning in your device early, make sure you're completely finished with it, because once you turn it in, you will not be able to get it back. And another thing as well, when you turn in your device, you want to make sure that you have recovered all the files off of it, you've backed them up, you've saved them, so that you don't lose anything. If you have a really cool project you were working on all throughout high school and you've got it saved to your OneDrive, you don't want to lose it, because as soon as you're finished in more schools, your account will be closed. You will not have access to it anymore. So I've added a QR code on the screen here for a site that will walk you through how to back up your files. Another thing you need to take care of for us, if you turn in a device and it has stickers all over it, you are going to get charged for cleaning that device. So here is another QR code that kind of shows you the evaluation process of what's going to be looked at, and it also has some tips about how to clean your device without harming your device. So scan that and go to that page and view that as well. Now, another group of students we have are our students in Moore Virtual Academy, who are seniors who will also be graduating, but they're not in-person students. Those students need to go to the Technology Center by May 25th to turn in their device and charger and any other hotspots, etc. Okay, I hope this has been helpful for you. Hopefully we've addressed your situation. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the EdTech department. If we don't know the answer, we will find somebody who does. Have a great day and have an awesome summer.